Hi, Louie. Hi, Louie. Hi, everyone. It's been a while since I did a garden video, so I think I'm going to compile some clips from my garden and share them with you. And I hope you enjoy this relaxing video. I don't know what this is. I can't wait to see what it is. These are the daisies. They'll come up when the weather gets really hot. Hi, kitten. Hi. You found a shady spot? Oh, you gonna take a nap now? You want to be left alone. Okay. Bye. I moved the little bench over next to where we buried little baby. She passed away last year, and this is her little resting place. So I could sit here in the shade and think about her. This is the garden shed. Look at all this stuff. In order to have a garden, you need a lot of tools and well, at least for me, when I started the garden, and I had this shed built on the premises. It's good to have a good storage space. I really love this garden shed. Everything has a place, and a place for everything. One thing I really wanted was this double door, so I can hang out inside the shed. I think it's from the Amish country. It's a sort of a vintage sign. You know what EFM? You can interpret it yourself. Sweep the stairs down. EFM. I love this. That's how I feel sometimes. What's also thriving are these Japanese arborvitaes. It's just growing, growing, growing. They started out about this big, about like down here, and then now they're great border plants or privacy plants. The mulberries are starting to form. This little odd looking tree is a aspen quaking poplar. I started it with a little seedling that I picked up during my walk in the park. It was just a tiny little seedling, about maybe this big, and I planted it, and look what happened in a few years. It's a beautiful tree. I love this odd looking giraffe of a tree. When the wind blows, these leaves just kind of tickle in the air. You could actually hear it. That's why it has the name quaking, because it's like it's shaking in the wind. What bird is singing up there? He is so loud. I read somewhere, why do birds sing? He sings for her. They step on. I just love this one. And with this purple flowers for early spring, and then the flowers will go away. All the lily of the valley are gone, but this fern that I try to grow for years and years, probably like 20 years, never made it. But this year it came back to life. Wow. I bought this a long time ago, and every year it would fail, but somehow just leaving it alone, it is back in action. The rain barrels are working out really well for us, and we're able to collect rainwater and use it in the garden, and that really helps as far as the water bill. Apple tree plant that we started from seed, so hopefully it will continue to grow, and we may have a apple tree. First planted it many years ago from a tiny little plant. It kind of opened up last night. I guess it is going to smell really good. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed my garden. Thank you for watching. Give me a like, and I will see you next time. Bye.